And that's the truth.
Here we go, big girl. Let's go down to the river.
Sometimes as a vlogger, you fall down on the job.
And so we decided to make a big cookie with it.
Hey guys. Show, come here. Let's show them what we were doing. We were just trying to work on his little truck here, and he wanted to help. We're replacing the batteries. We just popped the hood off, getting the transmission fixed right here. We just changed the oil on this bad boy. Let's see if he'll do it. I was unscrewing the screw and he tried to mimic me. Brooks, here, buddy, look. I'm gonna put it back in. Like that. You wanna do it? No, you do it. No, I didn't do that. Look, you wanna try? Buddy. Well, prior to this, he was helping me unscrew. All right, let's see if that fixed your engine. Ready? Watch this. How cool is that? Ready? Here it goes. Oh, don't worry. You just found some grits on the floor that you're eating. He said, quick, get it while it's still. Hey, Dad, where'd you go? Here I am. Get that thing out of my way. Here, you little shrimp. You little shrimp.
It's another rainy day. And she's off.
There's a river.
There's a river?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm going to show you. Come on.
Okay.
I'm going to put my hand.
Hold your hand. Woo-wee! It's getting crazy out here. We're in a monsoon. There's a monsoon a-coming. I'm just kidding. Do you even know what a monsoon is? No? It's just a lot of rain. Here we go, big girl. Let's go down to the river. Oh my goodness, we even found a waterfall. A river with a waterfall. Holy moly. What?
Maybe the water went down the spider like this.
Oh, maybe where the spider comes out? Oh yeah, maybe there's a spider that'll come out of there, the itsy bitsy one. Maybe. All right. For somebody that was so scared of the rain, just last week, even yesterday. Whoa, good running. Crazy amount of water coming off our roof, isn't it? I mean, to be a kid again and literally wake up and just come out in your pajamas and just stand and dance in the rain. Man.
Mommy, I got this whole waterfall fairy towers the last part that I heard.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. You look like you had a bath in the rain.
Mm-hmm. And I got my whole body wet.
Oh my goodness. Was it so fun and so pretty? Awesome. Give you 5. Yeah, dude. You want some?
Did that get you cold?
It did get me a little bit cold and wet. You need a towel?
Yeah.
Okay, I bet Daddy will get you one, and I'm fixing you some eggs and grits.
Well, can I help you?
Sure, you gotta get dried off first. Sometimes as a vlogger, you fall down on the job and forget what you're supposed to do. Isn't that right? Sometimes at any job I think you do that, but I took the camera with me this morning and had it because I had some cute stuff to vlog and literally did not even think about the daggone camera again until I got home a few minutes ago. Gaines is with Grand Dolly today. It is Grand Dolly Day, and since the big kids are out of school, Madeline and Emily got to go with her today. So that was super exciting. I picked them up and took them with me to drop them off with Grand Dolly. and Brooks and Cullen have been hanging out. It was fun picking them up and getting them there, but it was pouring down rain. And I think that's why I forgot about the camera, because I was just focused on, you know, like not getting the kids soaking wet. So we've got the day to get some stuff done and hang out with this guy. He's just been so sweet and calm and peaceful and like just chill. I think because Gaines isn't here being crazy, there's no fight for attention. Are you being so cute?
Can you roll it?
You rolled a car? Brooks, show me how you roll it. Roll it. That's right.
Roll it.
Roll it. Good job, buddy. So I'm making something in the crock pot tonight for the first time in the new house. When we were at Sam's the other day, we found this roasted, what's it called? Roasted pineapple and habanero sauce that I think will be good on some chicken. So Kelly had told me sometimes when she does crock pot meals, she'll like just put some frozen chicken in there and then put some kind of dressing or glaze or whatever over them. And then you just cook them in the crock pot. So when we found this, I was like, oh, that would be perfect for that. So we'll see how it turns out. I hope it's good. I figured I'd add throw some bell peppers and onions and all that in there. I'm gonna try to do some more crock pot meals because it's so much easier than like preparing a meal in the middle of the crazy hour when the kids are all going crazy. And so it can be ready a little bit earlier. So hopefully this is good and Cullen will eat it too. I'm just kidding. He actually eats anything I cook usually. It's Gaines that we have to worry about.
We had 2 slime fails today, so we resorted to cookies. And we're gonna do sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies and decorate them. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, here we go with them all on the tray. Oh, I see. Everybody got a bite. Now, to decorate them, we're going to use this.
A face?
We've got green
I want blue.
and blue, and we've got googly eyes. You want to see these googly eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, one.
They're hard. They're hard like eating a rock. You want to eat a rock?
Yeah, in a minute.
Punch them in there. Punch them in the dough and they won't roll onto the tray.
He's gonna be frowning
Why?
because he's sad.
Why is he sad?
Because he doesn't want to get cooked and eaten. I think Gaines' favorite part is eating everything.
Yeah.
Did you eat a googly eye, Gaines?
They were good. They weren't hard.
They're not hard?
I want to go. I do.
Let Gaines put a few more
3.
on
We don't
her.
have 3.
Let me have 2 more of mine.
Okay, put some more on that. Yours are ready, aren't they, Madeline?
Yep.
Okay.
Mine is.
My 3 are.
Mine is it.
Okay, we had a chocolate chip dough. Had a little bit of chocolate chip dough.
And so we decided to make a big cookie with it.
Okay, we sprayed the pan, and then Madeline made it as big as she wanted it, and we're gonna stick it in the oven. Who's ready to eat one?
You ready to eat?
No cookie fail here. Great job, girls.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without your help, though.
I didn't help. I was just vlogging. And that's the truth.
Granddolly brought you home?
Look,
Oh my goodness, who painted them?
Granddolly.
She did?
Yeah.
They are so pretty. I can't even see on the camera. There they go. Oh, they're shiny and pretty.
Look at this one.
It's her favorite color.
That's her favorite color. Is it green?
Look.
Oh, it's light green. I thought it was pearl. Aren't they? Those are Emily's.
Oh.
Gaines got some too. I'll have to open them up and show you. Or I'll show you Gaines's.
Oh, that's okay.
Yes. It's our 4th of July baby clothing haul came in. The crock pot meal turned out good. We were about to eat it up and I already had a little taste and it is a little bit spicier than I expected.
Really?
So
Oh, it's got habanero in it.
yeah, I was expecting that the kids might eat it, but then I tasted it and I was like, oh, well, maybe not. So we're eating it. They're actually already in bed. Gaines went to bed like soon after she got here with Grandolly because she did not have a nap today, so she was exhausted. But they had a super fun day. So big thanks to Grandolly for all the fun and for having all 3 of the girls there today. I know they had a blast. I haven't even seen the footage that she sent, but y'all have already seen it because it was already in this vlog. Hopefully it gets here by the time you edit this. Did you show them the flowers yesterday?
I did not.
Aren't
Something
they
about fresh flowers just makes you want to have a fresh start each time you replace them.
Well, I know when I took out the dead ones yesterday, I was like, oh, it looks so boring in here now.
Yeah.
Like, I just needed more flowers. So Cullen and Gaines picked these out yesterday. I'm gonna have to arrange them a little bit because like all you see is green, but there's really like tons
There's a
of
meme or a
flowers.
saying in there somewhere. Fresh flowers equals a fresh start.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you're having a great
the freaking
week.
wall today. Ugh.
Oh, Gaines told me I need to clean up that mess
Oh my
on the
gosh.
floor.
See what this is.
Okay, bye-bye.
Gaines, where are you going? What? I'm losing my hair.